Students will learn more and remember more from your class when you get them out in the field and connect them to your lessons. And you will remember more, and you'll have more beautiful moments when you hear students say, I've never been to the river before. I've never put my toes in an ocean before. I've never been asked to be silent on a hike before. Getting kids out in the field is what's going to make them care, and it's what's going to protect our planet. So you need to do it. Get out there. So I always feel limited by teaching in the classroom because my ideal classroom is the great outdoors. If I had my way, it would be like outside school all day, regardless of the weather, with shelter. There's so much to bring back to the classroom from this experience. My first thing is to share with the students what I've done here, share my picture, share the story of what a day would look like, but then also explain what is happening with tectonic plate activity here and connect it to what we've been learning so that they can feel like they understand a little bit of the geology. I also hope to take students on a trip here, and so creating these 5E lesson plans that would get them ready before the trip to do some pre-planning on what it's like at home, to compare and contrast to what it's like here. We've had a very strange kind of unpredicted course, and so I think first of all, being able to come here on the heels of a pandemic and get out of my state testing for a week has been amazing. So no matter what would have been thrown at us, I am just happy to be here. Don't be hesitant, do it.